this video, we will show you how to turn off autocorrect on Android smartphone. Sometimes, autocorrect is disturbing us when creating some text. For example, let's create a message in here. And this is not what we want. The autocorrect is just break the text that we type. So, to turn off autocorrect, you need to press this button on your keyboard and select these settings. Choose text correction in here. We recommend you to disable show suggestion strip, and then for auto correction, please disable this. Now you can type text like what you want, and autocorrect will not work in here. You can see there the autocorrect cannot work again. That's all.